Hey guys, welcome to Thursday. All right, we'll go ahead and get to business. How would you describe Southeast Asia's physical geography using this video? All right, so if you haven't been able to tell already, we are going to be studying Southeast Asia as our first little mini unit on Asia. Your learning target, I can describe the physical geography of Southeast Asia and how it affects people. By the end of the day, you should be able to identify the mainland countries and island countries of Southeast Asia and describe 3 ways the physical geography of these countries affect people. Here's what you need to achieve by the end of the week. Today just focused on Southeast Asia physical geography. This is where I'd normally say turn and talk to the person next to you while I hand out some papers, but since I cannot physically hand you those papers, I'm going to show you how to open up today's assignment. So in Schoology, you're going to open up the assignment called Southeast Asia's Physical Geography. You're going to use the text attached to that assignment to fill it out. When you finish, click Submit. If you have any issues, you can write in a note to Ms. Collins' post. Email me at ACOLLINS just one I, NS, at isd62.org or text 304-853-0426. Here's up that assignment. So if you go to Schoology, go to Global Studies, Day 4, click on Southeast Asia Physical Geography. Hopefully your computer's faster than mine. The assignment is right here. In this Google Doc, you're going to type in your answers. So the definitions, you're going to look for those in the text, type them in right there. You can go ahead and just erase the type here part. That's absolutely okay. And then you're going to identify the mainland countries, the countries that are there, and you're going to describe how the physical geography of those countries affects people. You're going to do the same thing with island countries, identify what's considered island countries and how the physical geography affects people living there. Make a note that mainland countries are also called Indochina. It doesn't say that in this, but it might refer to that later on in your quiz, in future assignments, so just keep that in mind. So you've opened up the assignment. Here's the actual text. You'll click download and download. And the text will look something like this. I'm going to go ahead and just rotate this counterclockwise so that way it's this way, the right way. All right, so we have this text. All of your vocab words are highlighted right here, so take a minute to fill out those definitions. Real quickly, we're going to go over how to identify the countries and how it affects how the physical geography affects people. As we read, make sure that you are eliminating any distractions, like put your Netflix on pause, put your phone away, unless you're using your phone to watch the video, just so that way you can get those free answers and you know how to do the rest by yourself. All right, so we have our 4 vocab words. If you need more time to fill in those definitions, put the video on pause and do that right now. Once you're ready, hit play, and we'll go ahead and go over mainland countries. Mainland countries. The region's mainland countries are part of the Asian continent and include Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, and Laos. They just gave us a list of countries, so we can go ahead and take that list of countries and type them right here. So I'm going to erase this and type those countries in right here. Go ahead and put the video on pause and take some time to do so. All right, so we left off right here with the list of countries. This cluster is linked by a long coastline. They kind of mentioned physical geography along coastline, but it doesn't really say how it affects people at all. So we're going to keep on reading. Only Laos is landlocked or surrounded by land on all sides. It mentioned physical geography. Landlocked is kind of physical geography, but it didn't mention people, so we'll keep on going. Elevation is generally higher in the northern and eastern coast of mainland Southeast Asia. So they mentioned physical geography, but did they mention people? No, so we'll keep on reading. Mountains hold the source of several of the region's major rivers, which people rely on for transportation, food, drinking water, and irrigation. All right, so they mentioned physical geography, mountains, and rivers. And did they mention people? Yeah, they actually did this time. So I am going to take this sentence and type it in right here. So I'm going to erase that gray text and type in mountains, create a source of water for rivers that people use for transportation, drinking water, and irrigation. You'll keep on reading the text, identifying ways that the physical geography affects people. When you get to island countries, look for the names of those island countries and ways that the physical geography affects people. They might not all be positive ways, like our example went over. It might be negative ways, and that's absolutely okay to include in your assignment. When you're finished with your assignment, you're going to go ahead and hit post or submit. Okay. And then you're going to test your understanding of today's material by taking the quizzes. The join code is 516827 link. You can do that as many times as you'd like until you get your desired score, and that's just to kind of help strengthen that information for the quiz that you will have on Southeast Asia. That should be the link that says join with the code behind it. When it prompts you for the code, it's this code right here, 516827. If you have any questions or having trouble accessing the material, make sure that you write in a note to Miss Collins board. Remember, that's just between you and me. You can also email me at my school email address, or if you'd rather, you can text 304-853-0426. Today, what you need to finish is complete the Southeast Asia Physical Geography assignment, submit when you're done, and play the Southeast Asia Physical Geography quizzes. Remember, you can play as many times as you want to get your desired score, and these questions will be on your next summative quiz, which is why I want you guys to practice them. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.